Ever stared at your Acuity scheduling dashboard, a little bead of sweat forming on your brow, wondering how on earth you're going to refund a client? You're not alone. Whether it was a last-minute cancellation, a double booking blunder, or simply a change of plans, the need to issue a refund is a common part of running any service-based business. And while Acuity is a fantastic tool for managing appointments and payments, navigating the refund process might feel a tad mysterious if you haven't done it before. Think about it. You've built your business on trust and providing excellent service. Sometimes, that service involves the less glamorous but equally important task of handling refunds gracefully and efficiently. A smooth refund process not only keeps your clients happy but also reinforces your professionalism and integrity. It shows them that you value their experience, even when things don't go exactly as planned. Now, you might be thinking, why can't I just click a button and poof, refund issued? Well, the reality is that the refund process in Acuity, like many other platforms, involves a few key steps to ensure accuracy and security. It's not overly complicated, but understanding the different options and knowing where to click is crucial to avoid any headaches or accidental over-refunding. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why you might need to issue a refund in Acuity. As mentioned earlier, cancellations are a big one. Your client might have had an unexpected emergency, a scheduling conflict they overlooked, or simply changed their mind. Depending on your cancellation policy, a full or partial refund might be necessary. Then there are those occasional hiccups, the double bookings that leave you scrambling, technical glitches that prevent a service from being delivered, or perhaps a situation where the client wasn't entirely satisfied with the service provided, though hopefully, those are rare. In these instances, offering a refund can be a vital step in resolving the issue and maintaining a positive client relationship. It's also worth considering your own refund policy. Having a clear and concise policy outlined on your website and within your Acuity settings can save you a lot of time and potential disputes down the line. Clearly stating your terms regarding cancellations, no-shows, and refunds sets expectations for your clients and helps you manage these situations consistently. Alright, enough of the background, you're here to learn how to actually do it. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of refunding someone on Acuity scheduling. The first thing to understand is that Acuity itself doesn't directly process refunds. Think of Acuity as the central hub for your scheduling and payment information. When a client pays through Acuity, the payment is actually processed by a third-party payment processor that you've integrated with your Acuity account. Popular options include Stripe, Square, and PayPal. Therefore, to issue a refund, you'll typically need to initiate the refund through your payment processor's platform, not directly within Acuity. Acuity will then reflect the refunded status once the payment processor has processed it. Let's break down the steps for the most common payment processors. Refunding via Stripe. If you're using Stripe to process payments through Acuity, here's how you'll typically issue a refund. Log in to your Stripe dashboard. Head over to your Stripe account, dashboard.stripe.com, and log in using your credentials. Find the payment. There are a couple of ways to locate the specific payment you want to refund. You can either navigate to the Payments section in the left-hand sidebar and search for the client's name, email address, or the payment amount. If you have the Acuity appointment details open, Acuity often provides a link directly to the Stripe payment associated with that appointment. Look for a transaction ID or a View in Stripe button. View payment details. Once you've found the correct payment, click on it to open the Payment Details page. Initiate the refund. On the Payment Details page, you should see a Refund button. Click on this button. Enter refund details. Stripe will then prompt you to enter the refund details. You'll typically have a few options. Full refund. This will refund the entire amount of the original payment. Partial refund. This allows you to specify a specific amount you want to refund. You'll need to enter the exact amount you wish to return to the client. Select a reason for the refund. Optional but recommended. Stripe usually provides a drop-down menu where you can select a reason for the refund, e.g., requested by customer, duplicate, other. While often optional, selecting a reason can be helpful for your own record-keeping and analysis. Process the refund. Once you've confirmed the refund amount and, optionally, selected a reason, click the Refund button to process the transaction. Confirmation. Stripe will then process the refund and update the payment status to refunded. Both you and your client will typically receive email notifications from Stripe confirming the refund. Refunding via Square. If Square is your integrated payment processor, the refund process will look something like this. Log in to your Square dashboard. Go to your Square account, squareup.com/login, and log in. Navigate to Transactions. In your Square dashboard, click on Transactions in the left-hand menu. Find the transaction. You can search for the transaction you want to refund by the client's name, the date of the transaction, or the amount. View transaction details. Once you've located the correct transaction, click on it to view the details. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.